Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on security notification on WhatsApp. Let's see how to do it. For do this, first of all open your WhatsApp, tap on three dot icon in the top right corner, then tap on settings, tap on account, tap on security notifications, and here you can see show security notification on this device. Turn on this option. That's it. In this way you can easily turn on security notification on this device in WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates.